In this video, I will show you how to allow WhatsApp to access your camera on an Android phone. First things first, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. This will bring up your quick settings menu. Now, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom. Tap on Apps. In this menu, look towards the top right corner where you'll see a search button. Tap that. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. From the search results, select the WhatsApp application. Now that you're in WhatsApp's app info page, look for an option labeled Permissions. Tap on that. You'll see a list of permissions that WhatsApp requires. Scroll down until you find Camera. Once you've located it, tap on Camera to proceed. Here comes the final step. You will see different options regarding camera access. To enable camera access effectively while ensuring privacy, select Allow Only while using the app. This setting means that WhatsApp can use your camera when you're actively using it but won't have background access when it's not open. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.